Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 utility aluminum combo 48'X102 with the universal mounting kit on the back. Folks, this is a beautiful unit. The beams are in incredibly clean condition. Excellent kingpin plate. As we come back here, brand new buyer's toolbox. As you can see, the beams on this thing are beautiful. Sliding spring ride, brand new rubber, brand new brakes and drums, steel refurbed outer rim, universal mounting kit on the back. Folks, this will carry a Moffett, a Princeton, and many other brands. You can take a look at our website, 99lifts.com, and take a look at all of our available forklifts, trailers, straight trucks available for sale. As we get to the driver's side, refurb steel outer rim, brand new rubber, brand new straps on all of our trucks and trailers. This is a beautiful 2013 utility aluminum combo, universal mounting kit, Moffett, Princeton, many other brands. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. We have many units available for sale. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. We'd appreciate your call and appreciate your time. Thank you.